Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our Binance account to Trust Wallet. So for that you need to open up your Binance account and then go to your wallet section. We will go to fiat and spot, and here suppose you want to send BNB, so we will click on withdraw on Binance, and then it will ask you to provide address. For that we will open up our Trust Wallet, and after clicking on receive we will just select BNB Smart Chain and copy the address and paste it over on Binance. After that, network will be selected automatically on Binance. Then just move forward to type the amount that you want to withdraw from Binance to your Trust Wallet, and after that just click on withdraw, and this amount of BNB from your Binance would be sent to your Trust Wallet. And this is how you send money from your Binance account to Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.